Hello, I know I haven't done one of these videos in a while, but we've got a massive storm front coming through our area. If I zoom in, we're right here. So that, you know what I'm saying? So let's open this and see if we got any thunder or lightning that's visible yet. The answer is no. I'll give it a little longer. All right, we're gonna go out and check. Whew! It is like, I don't care that it's dark. It's like a good 88 degrees Fahrenheit out here, and you can see sort of the cloud lines almost in that direction, right? I mean, I can see it on my phone. I bet the video will be too dark to see it when I go to edit this later, but we got a little bit of a breeze coming from the north, and this is coming from the north. We're a good still 45 minutes out though, so I really hope this doesn't shut the power off to the house. That would suck so hard. But oh, I saw some lightning over there. It's not much. Probably heat lightning, mostly, but they got reports in Chicago when this was passing through Chicago about an hour ago. They said that there were some tornado warnings that were put into place around Chicago. That's interesting, very interesting. Right, there was one bit of lightning that I missed because I was pointing the phone over this way. Maybe I got it. I don't know. I thought I was pointed up here though. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. I'll be back out in a bit, right before the front hits. I don't have all of my water equipment to actually record in the middle of the rain. Oh wait, there was a little bit more lightning. Anyway, I'll be back out in a minute. Well, that is what it looks like right now. You can kind of see it through the crack in the door. But we are outside now. You can see the clouds have built up, and the wind is starting to pick up. So hopefully we can get some cool lightning activity before the rain starts coming down heavily. And if all goes well, I certainly hope we'll keep power on tonight, because it is a really hot night for there to be no power and a storm outside. So keep your fingers crossed, knock on wood, cross yourself, whatever you have to do to... Anyway, yeah, so here we are outside doing frick all. I'm gonna pull a chair out here and sit down and stare at the clouds as long as I can without getting dumped on. I turned the camera off and there's almost immediately a lightning strike, so I'm gonna keep this bad boy running. Even if it gets boring, hopefully you guys will be able to see something. It smells like somebody's doing laundry out here. Like the breeze smells like a little linen-ish. As opposed to a communist wind that smells Lenin-ish because of the... Alright. Alright. Anything interesting, or is all the lightning going to be right on the front? So as soon as we start getting this spectacular lightning that I came out here to film, the rain dumps. I wouldn't be surprised. These little holes in the clouds right here make the system more unstable. So I've been told. I'm not a expert in astronomy by any means, but there's a little bit of lightning. It looks like these might actually be low clouds because I saw the lightning a little bit better through those holes, which makes me think that those are lower clouds and the really big cumulonimbus clouds are above that. You can hear some of the thunder in the very distant, like north, I think. Okay, here we are. There's the front. If we're gonna get any thunder and lightning footage, it should be within the next 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and pop outside right now and if you do you have to don't do. Okay, we outside again. Oh, did you get that? That was a bit bigger. Oh, here we go. Okay, now we're popping off with the lightning. Or, as I used to say, oh, but you can see it through the holes. As I used to say, you must see the lightning. Hope Nathan's getting a show up where he's at. If he's even looking outside right now, he had family over. So, Nathan, if you're watching this now, this is what was happening. Oh, ho, ho. Slow-mo that. Make it me sound like... You know what to do. Very active now, and this was in a matter of a few minutes. But I'm afraid the rain will start sooner, or my chance is to stay out here. Might do like an ASMR stream where I stick my camera out out the door or something. Oh, here comes the squall line, I think, maybe. Squall line? Question mark? The wind just picked up all of a sudden. Picked up what? That's a good question. Oh, hello. A little more active. Nice. Watch me get hit with lightning or something. I stopped recording there because I want to keep these... Oh, hello. I want to keep these footages less than a minute because it's easier to upload to YouTube when they're a minute or less. You know what I'm saying? They just take forever or far longer. There's still a hole in the clouds right around there. There's a darker mass of clouds right over there. And I do think that the lightning is happening above the line of clouds that we have down here. Because that was... Yeah, boom. That was up there. I could see it through the holes in the clouds, but not... So it's not happening under the... It's happening on the layer above the current layer of clouds that you can see. Which... I don't know if that's a good thing or not. I'm worried about this, like this hand-sized mass of darker clouds. Because that just seems not good, you know what I'm saying? Like when, I don't think there will be a tornado coming through here, but whenever there's tornadoes at night, usually you can tell them by a mass of much darker clouds against the somewhat lighter clouds in the sky. Now squall line? Huh? Squall line now? Oh. Okay, do you see the little lines? There, and there. That seems like a... And it's moving quickly. Well, quickly for a cloud anyway. Yeah. Oh, this is... Yeah, do you see how fast that's moving? Oh. I mean, the line of storms is supposed to be quote-unquote dying down or weakening from where it was up in Chicago. But it may not have weakened because of how fast it... Because it moved in from Chicago to Indianapolis in less than an hour. So these clouds are moving fast. There's the squall line. That's the squall line right there. Rick. Ow, I just got hit with some kind of debris right in the chest. It's probably an acorn off that oak tree over there that hit me, but I got scared there for a second because the wind was just going up and up and up in intensity. And I'm like, oh dear. Okay. Wind speeds are reaching at least 15 right now. Make that 20. I just got slapped in the face by a leaf. Thanks, Light. You're a great help. That was the front right there. That was the front right there. Oh my days. Keep recording. This is the best part. Oh, this is the best part. Oh, what was that? Did you hear that off in the distance, like a popping noise? Oh, please let our trees be okay. I think our trees have survived worse. But, like, okay, I think the ground should be good because we haven't gotten rain recently, so the ground isn't going to be wet with these high... Transformer. Nathan, you were saying you wanted to see what that was. That was not lightning. You heard the humming, the electrical humming noise, Nathan? That was... Oh, there comes the rain, there comes the rain. Oh, I just got massively wet. And I'm not talking about just the rain. That one. Wow, look at that. There's the rain almost immediately. That was not lightning, Nathan. That was a freaking transformer going boom. You might have heard it. I don't know, I did. I'm gonna go get some equipment for this. All right, guys, we're going out. I got a raincoat on. And I got a bag on my phone. Hopefully, I can record this. But of course, the freaking lens, the light's gonna come on and the lens is gonna be covered in water. So, I mean, this is it primarily. This is, the worst of it already came through, but my mom was arguing at me to get shoes on instead of saying I don't want to ruin my shoes by getting them wet and just stand out here with bare feet, which may be a stupid idea because of the lightning, but trust me, I'm not the tallest thing. Well, there it is, coming straight through. The reason the last video cut off is because apparently I have no storage on my phone. Bear in mind, I have a 64 gigabyte phone, and I keep like 5 photos on my phone at all times, and those aren't big ones. For some reason, documents and data for TikTok was taking up nearly 20 gigabytes. So I deleted TikTok, I'll reinstall it, and just have to be really careful about all of that stuff. So that's where this video ends, guys. Thank you for joining us. Tune in next time.